Hello and welcome students to the Google Hangouts on Air video tutorial. Now Google Hangouts on Air is different than Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts you can create, which are basically video calls that you can create within Google Calendar. Let's say you invite somebody using Google Calendar, there's an option to add a video call. That's what a Google Hangout is. And you might already be using Google Hangouts in your course for, let's say, maybe virtual office hours, and it's a great tool. But Google Hangouts on Air is really a live event. That means it is broadcasted on YouTube. Now, don't get too alarmed by that because you can set the privacy of your Google Hangout on Air event to unlisted. So basically, just those who have the link to it can view it. So it's not like the whole world's going to watch your Google Hangout on Air event. And also, what's also great about this is that after the event is broadcasted, when the host ends the session, the recording of the event will be available on YouTube. So really, Google Hangouts on Air is a great tool for students to use for, let's say, student group presentations. There's really not another tool that the U of M supports that can record the live event. You might think WebEx, but students don't have access to record their own WebEx sessions, so faculty would have to do that. So then there's Google Hangouts on Air. Now the downside to Google Hangouts on Air is that it is kind of difficult to initially set up, but that's what this video is for, to help you step by step walk through how to set up a Google Hangout on Air event. And then once you do so, it gets easier and easier to create, practice, and share in a Google Hangout on Air event. So let's get started. And the first thing we'll do is get everything set up for our Google Hangout on Air event.